What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our Vicrez TRX style RAM bars. And this is for the Ram 1500 fitting 2019 to 2025 models. And this is VZ101945 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now let's go ahead and get this open and show you everything it comes with. Now, of course, you'll have a couple different bars in here. And these are the two main support bars for the RAMBAR itself. Then, of course, you'll also have your couplings. Now, these are rubber couplings so that the RAMBAR is able to flex and maneuver, and that way if it's also having any heat fluctuations, it's not expanding and contracting and cracking the entire RAMBAR if it were one entire bead. Then of course we'll have one of the support columns for the sides. Now these are pretty well wrapped in foam, that way they don't get damaged in transit because they are aluminum and we don't want them bumping up against each other. And this is what one of the support pillars will look like. And of course, you guys can see these cross member bars will just insert inside of it. Now, of course, here we have the other one wrapped the same way. I already unwrapped that one from the saran wrap so I can get a look at it. And then there's our other support bar. And of course, hardware is included. An entire bag, well, tube necessarily. You'll have your logos for each side, of course. And these will be your Raptor logos, as you can see here. And of course, you'll have some mounts, as well as a bunch of bolts, mounting plates, and other mounting hardware included. And we should also have some more brackets in here. Now, of course, for mounting, you'll simply just take one of these inserts, slide it on, then you'll take your other mounting bar and slide that into it, making sure that the two holes are lined up on the top edge. And then you'll just simply line up your other RAM bar to match up with it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this one on there so you guys can get the look. And of course, once you have the two pieces connected, and this is why this rubber is here as well, you'll simply take these and then slide them on the top and bottom of each mounting hole so it clamps the two pieces together tightly. And then this will make sure the 2 points are secure, but also allowing flex between the two. Now, other than that, if you want to see more videos like this or a complete assembly of this RAM bar, Let us know down in the comments. And if you want to see other videos just like this one or more products for the Ram 1500, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one. And make sure to smash that like button. Peace.